Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to break down Tesla, just what to look out for, what levels that I think are important. And right now, let's zoom in on the 5 days. I drew a supply and a demand just so you can see. So we are currently, this supply is at 266 and the demand is at 255. Now let's just focus on the resistance, which is 266. We're going to zoom out a little bit. You can see that we had right here, I'm going to draw it in a rectangle just to cover it. Right here, there's resistance. It got up above the 266 and then failed right there. So we'll mark that as well. We can see with the rectangle, this whole area is showing consolidation. And then additionally, we have another spot right here. So 266, we are watching to see if Tesla can make a move tomorrow or this week all the way back up to 266, which is a 3% move at the 258 level, which you can see right here. Now, if we wake up tomorrow and Tesla's red and it's below 255.8, this is the red zone demand where you're going to have buyers come in. If it's below this 255.8, then just ignore this segment and we're going to focus on the next level of support because Tesla is continuing to make lower lows when you look at it right now. Look at Tesla over the last, since July 19th of earnings, it is from 299, let's just say 300. It has moved down all the way to 285, down to 268, and it is struggling to get above 267, 268 now. So we need to be careful here. If you're going to be buying here at these levels at 255, you better have a stop below this 255 level. If it breaks 255, we have to keep in mind that the next level of support is going to be in the 247 area. And I want to show you, this is what I am looking at. If it actually sells off here. Now let me get rid of this one because that's an obvious trend line. But let me show you why I think the 247 to 248 range is an area of support. Just looking at the drawings here, we're going to draw rectangles to show consolidation. This area right here. Moving forward, this area right here. And to make this a little quicker, let's just go faster, the rectangle here. So focusing on this spot right here. Look at Tesla, breaks above the 247, rides all the way up to 265. What does it do? It retests 247, rides back up to 280, comes back down, retests 247. Here it breaks the support level of 247, goes down to 238, pops back up, and never retests it again. Now, as we search back over, we are hitting a potential demand zone. The first one is going to be at this 255. I'm trying to zoom in for you. This 255 level. That's the first demand zone. If 255 breaks, be very careful. Follow a stop loss. And you can go long potentially here at the 247 range because we have here the break, the retest, breaks through, and now here comes the next retest. 247 is really where I want to start scalping Tesla, but I just want you to be aware that these are potential levels. Now, if we wake up tomorrow, Monday morning the 24th, and Tesla is way above 266, then good. We don't have to worry about this. This is good potential. We just have to pay attention. Is Tesla going to break 266 to 268 range? And if it does break above this 268, we want to see if it goes above and then retest that 268 and then bounces from there. So that's the game plan watching Tesla. Got to be very careful here. I'm on the 1 month so you can see the charts. You can see the consolidation at the 247. And then you can see the supply zone, so resistance at 266 to 268. This is a short in my eyes. If you're going to take a short position, you could potentially take a short from 266 to 268 with your stop at 270. So you have a good risk reward of going from 266, 268 back down to 255. If 255 comes right early in the morning, you can see where it goes, see if it breaks. If it's going to hold, it might sell back, go back up to 260, retest at 255, and then hopefully swing back up. Tesla's in a position where there is downside pressure now. But don't forget the overall picture. Year to date, Tesla is still very bullish. But if this 247 does not hold up, I'm afraid that there's not much support until pretty much the 210, 220 area. So you just have to be very careful when trading Tesla here. This is definitely a pivotal moment for Tesla. There's a lot of selling pressure. So definitely keep an eye open. But I just wanted to give those levels so you have them for this week. Let me know if they help. Please subscribe, like the channel if you think it was helpful. And if you think there's something else I can add, definitely write it in the comment section below.